Good day, good day, good day, fellow YouTubers. This is Cheryl Davis, and welcome to my Cheryl's Creative Concepts channel. If this is your first time on the channel, I ask you to click, like, and share, and subscribe to my channel. So, today I'm going to do a product review. On this channel, you'll find product reviews and different creative concepts that allow me to live my life as a creative so much better. So today, I want to discuss the Monitor Monkey. The Monitor Monkey helps you clean all brands of your products. If you're like me, you're always worried about your product showing dirt. So I found this little Monitor Monkey, and it has 3 pieces. So when I opened it, of course I was eager to see what the yellow piece was. So it's a 3-part system. This is a bonus brush. And with this bonus brush, it allows me to clean off my keyboard. So if I bring my laptop over here, I can just brush and clean off my laptop. That way I don't have to worry about the dust and the dirt that's in between. If you're like me, you use your devices so much, you always worry about the cleanliness of them. So that's the bonus in the Monitor Monkey kit. And then you have, the next thing we have is, this is actually the Monitor Monkey spray. So you can spray this on all of your devices and you don't have to worry about messing up your product. So you have the brush, the bonus brush that comes with it. You have the Monitor Monkey spray. And then inside you have this brush. And in this brush, it's really, really soft. And you can clean your devices. You can just rub it over and clean it. I always worry about my videos being dirty. Like, you know how when the videos, they look kind of gray. They don't really look really great. Well, that's because your screen is dirty. So this is a very inexpensive way to clean your products. So I absolutely, positively have fallen in love with the Monitor Monkey. It is one of the best things that I have found to clean my product. And I would actually give the Monitor Monkey a thumbs up. Monitor Monkey did a really great job. It is by Fine Line Products. And I will drop a link so that you guys can go buy this Monitor Monkey. I'll drop a link at the bottom of this video so that you could go purchase the Monitor Monkey. But I think that we have found the solution for all of our dirty screen problems. Way to go, Monitor Monkey. You solved the problem. Again, this is Cheryl Davis with Cheryl's Creative Concepts. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I ask that you do. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share. And tell somebody about my channel so that we can all create better, so that we can all create together. Did you realize that it takes other creators to collaborate so that we can all win? Have a great day. I'm Cheryl Davis, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.